and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I feel like I haven't made a video in like 6 months, but I think it's been about 3 weeks. So I thought I would do my Ipsy. I have March and April here. So this is a monthly subscription and it's $12 a month US. And it's got some mostly sample sized items. So let's see what is in each one. So let's start with March. So every one of these comes with a little makeup bag, which I'm going to have to start doling out to my nieces because I really don't need that many makeup bags in my life. Alright, so we've got a nice brush on the outside, and then this is the bag for March. Okay, so the first item is from Shayna B Miami, and it has a really nice fan brush. I don't have one of these actually, so it's actually quite useful. It's very soft as well. So item number 1, don't have, excited to have. Perfect. Okay, now going into the bag, we've got a card. What does it tell us? What does it tell us? Yes, so it tells us the price of the full-size items, I think, pretty sure. And then we have a squeezy tube from Elizabeth Mott, and this is a vitamin C face scrub. Feel the heat, that's how you know it's working. All right, so it obviously heats up. I do love a nice lemon scented item. So that is the second thing we've received. The next up, oh, this feels like a lipstick. From what brand? From Carmela Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Bitten. This looks like a full-size lipstick. I think it's a lipstick. Yep. Whoop. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it is indeed a lipstick, and it's a really pretty corally pink shade. Oh, I would wear that color. Let's try it on. It's got a minty smell to it, maybe, or tea tree. Feels good on the lips. Okay, we have 2 more things in here, both in bubble wrap. So from Lottie London, we have got an ombre blush in the shade Serene. So we got a single blush here. It's a good size. It's peachy with a little shimmer. That's a really pretty color. Let's put this on too. Why not? Eh? Okay, it's not really gonna show up on my skin. Looking as red as it does right now, but it's cute. It's a nice summer shade. And then the last thing we have, also in bubble wrap, is from, what is this brand? Element Beauty? Element? And it is a Lilac Skies and Breeze eyeshadow duo. Oh. So they're both shimmery shades. Let's get a little swatch. So this one is more chunky. Pretty colors. Nice eyeshadow topper colors. Nice. Overall, you know, how do we feel about this one? It's got some nice stuff in it. So this brush is the full size, and it is valued at $14. The Silk Matte Lipstick in Bitten, this is actually a deluxe sample. So the full size of this would be $24. The Lottie London Blush is a deluxe sample. The full size is $6.95. The Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo, this is the deluxe sample. The full size is $42. My goodness. And the Elizabeth Mott face scrub. This is the deluxe sample, and the full size is $25. What do I like? What do I like? What do I like? What do I like? I like the brush. I like the lip color. And I like the vitamin C scrub. Blush color is nice. Eyeshadows, it's okay. So yeah, all in all, it's an alright little bag. Let's see what April has in store for us. Okay, April. Let's stick it a little bag. Alright, one item outside the bag. Oh, look how cute. So it's like a canvas. That's very fun. That's cute. All right, so the first thing we have is from Bogashi, maybe, perhaps. Won't even focus. Hello, focus. It is a large shader. That is a very large, very nicely packed brush. Eyeshadow. We'll use that. Now let's get into this bag. All right, what do we have? So we've got our card. So it is Force of Nature, and I forgot to mention this one is Stronger Together. So Force of Nature for April. Squeezy tube. That's a nice size squeezy tube. Nice yellow. My Skinny Mask Australia. For all skin types, apply a layer on the clean skin. Avoid area. Let dry and rinse after 10 minutes. So it is a turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. Love a good face mask. And then another squeezy tube from Sunday Riley. Oh, goodness. That's a nice brand. So this is an A+ high dose retinoid serum. I will definitely be using this. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't want to waste it. It's probably really expensive. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, and then another squeezy tube from, I think the brand is Feel. This is a 40 hyaluronic acid under eye cream. I do love a nice under eye cream. So, and that will probably last quite a while because you only use a little bit for your eyeballs. Not for your eyeballs, you know what I mean. And then the last item is this. Oh, it's very shiny. This is from Koki Professional Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. In the shade. What is the shade? GE884? Perhaps? Alright, let's give it a swatch. It's very metallic. Doesn't really have a smell. Oh my. Very pigmented. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. So it is like a rose gold with gold, and it's got flecks of different colored glitter, it looks like, in there. It's really pretty. More for like the festive season, I'd say I'd wear that. Yeah. All right, so let's see how much this stuff is worth. So the Koki Cosmetics, the shade is Polaris. This is a full size and it's $6. The Sunday Riley serum, this is a deluxe sample and the full size is $85. My Skinny Mask, this is a deluxe. Full size is $53. The Feel Beauty 40 Eye Cream, this is deluxe, and the full size is $45. And the Gotchi large shader brush, this is the full size, and this is $17. So we get two full size items, which equal $23, so that's almost twice as much as our bag cost. So yeah, not too shabby. Favorites, definitely going to be the Sunday Riley serum. Then the eye cream, and then this brush, because I'll use that now. And then the liquid eyeshadow, and then this nice turmeric mask. Alright, so again, Ipsy, you know, you gave me some good stuff. So I'm not mad. I ain't mad. Yeah, I've got some nice face things in here and some nice makeup as well. So I have no complaints. You're all probably all thinking, thank God. Yeah, so that was Ipsy March and April. I hope you liked it. I liked it. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click like down below. You can click here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.